In today's tutorial, we're learning how to take a portrait image and turn it into a nice circular image in Canva in just a few minutes. Let's jump into Canva. Here we start from a blank slide. I'm going to Elements and type in Portrait. We're going to go to Photos and select one of the images that we have available from a portrait. So you can just upload your own picture if you like. You can choose one with a background or without background, that doesn't really matter. So I'm going to choose one of these, add it to the slide, and make it a bit larger. Remove the background to have a solid color background. Select the background itself, go to background color, and give it a nice color. You can always go for gradients if you want, so scroll down for gradients, and then scroll upwards to change the direction of the gradient if you want. You can play around with the colors or the direction, change the color if you want, and do it like this. Now if you want to go for that extra detail, go to Edit, Shadows, add a little bit of a drop shadow, increase the blur for quite a lot, so it's very soft. The angle you can choose. The distance, I'd like to have it a little bit less. And then the intensity, you can turn it all the way up, but I also have the preference to take something more natural, just like this. And then you can just scale the image as you like. And there we have quite a nice result. And this one is mostly enough for social media use. So if you download the square one, just go to Download, PNG, and Download. It will be enough if you upload it to the profile, it will crop it as a circle itself. But in case you don't have it and you really need that circular one, you can open up a new page, remove the background, go to Elements, and here type in Frame. Select the circle frame, and then just expand it until it meets all the borders. Dragging your image on the slide, and then just release it here. Now share, download, and make sure to check the transparent background, so everything in white will be transparent. And then just select only the pages, done, and download. And this is how you can create these really nice portraits in Canva for your social media in just a few minutes. If you want to learn more about Canva, make sure to watch the video on the screen right now.